This is your definitive guide to fixing FC26 DirectX launch crashes after the latest update. I personally encountered this frustrating issue and tested numerous approaches until I discovered several effective methods to resolve FC26 DirectX launch crashes, and I'm now sharing them with you. The first method addresses corrupted or outdated DirectX components. By updating your DirectX runtime and verifying game files, you ensure that all necessary DirectX libraries are present and correctly configured, which is crucial for games relying on DirectX for rendering. Running the game as an administrator and disabling overlays prevents potential conflicts with other software that might interfere with DirectX initialization. Updating your graphics driver is paramount because it provides the latest optimizations and compatibility for your hardware with DirectX. Method 2 focuses on software conflicts and driver integrity. Adjusting in-game graphics settings can sometimes resolve DirectX errors by reducing the load on the graphics card. Performing a clean install of your graphics driver removes any residual problematic files. Disabling full-screen optimizations and checking for antivirus exclusions prevents external programs from blocking DirectX access. Method 3 tackles system-level issues. Updating your Windows OS ensures you have the latest system files that support DirectX. Clearing the DirectX cache can resolve issues caused by corrupted temporary files. Modifying game configurations or checking for background applications helps identify and eliminate processes that might be hogging resources or causing DirectX conflicts. Method 4 involves deeper system checks and game integrity. Running the System File Checker tool repairs any corrupt Windows system files that could be impacting DirectX. Installing the latest game patch ensures you have all the official fixes for known DirectX issues. Verifying the DirectX installation and removing corrupt game data directly targets the source of the problem. Adjusting power plant settings and reinstalling the game client are final steps to ensure a clean and stable environment for FC26 to launch correctly.